Hello my friend and fellow traders, Will here with the XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So today's video was just a quick update on the USDCAD signal that I gave yesterday. And you can see we have entered the trade here in this divergence. Now, I didn't tell you when exactly to enter the trade yesterday. I told you where I was looking to enter it, and I was waiting for a signal to happen. Okay, so this is the signal that we wait for the MACD divergence signal to give us an entry, and the MacBot entered the trade up here. So it did, and yeah, so the MacBot entered the trade up here. So then you can see that already over 100 pips, 130 pips. It's up to the NFP. But like I've always said, I've always taught that we trade into the news. So the markets have been trading into the NFP, and then the NFP results come out, and the market goes in the direction of the longer time frame, longer term. And this is the pop down we talked about yesterday. News will pop it down, and so hopefully some of you's got in. You'll be sitting in some nice profit now, over nearly 140 pips from this entry. Pretty nice entry. So it is. If you want to access the MacBot system, you can click the link below and learn to take trades like this every single day and every single week. So I hope this video helps. Awesome trade. It's dropping down superbly there. And I'll speak to you soon. Well, over to XAUUSD.com. Don't forget to grab the MacBot system below.